Okay, question 4 this time. Find the remainder when the polynomial is divided by a x minus 3. So we don't have to do long division. Remember, we've got the polynomial theorem, and so if I do p of 3 and substitute 3 into the polynomial, that will tell me the remainder. So we've got 3 cubed plus 2 times 3 squared minus 3 plus 3, and that works out to be 45. B, we've got 2x minus 1. So I'm going to do p of a half. Now, you might want to think, how did I get a half? What you're going to do is put 2x minus 1 equal to 0 and solve for x, and that's what you're going to substitute in this time. So we get a half cubed plus 2 times a half squared minus a half plus 3. So that equals 1/8 plus 2 times a quarter minus a half plus 3. So it's 1/8 plus 2 quarters is a half minus a half plus 3. So we end up with 3 1/8, or if we convert that to an improper fraction, 3/8 is 24 plus that 1 is 25 over 8. C is 2x plus 1, and so I'm going to be doing p of minus a half, and very similar to what we've done above, but it's just testing your skills with your fractions. So if you're asked to show your working, you need to show your working. And it's the negatives that will cause you the problem here. So remember, you've got a negative cubed, it's going to be a negative 1/8. You've got negative a half squared is a positive quarter. And so I've just done that. 2 times a quarter is a half, plus a half plus 3. So we end up with 4 minus 1/8, which is 32/8 minus 1/8, and we end up with 31/8.